Hi everyone and welcome to this week's update. This is the week before Maker Central. I'm getting super excited, getting really organised actually, because I have bits and pieces ProjectWise on the go, but I don't plan on finishing anything before I go off this week. I just want to get myself organised. This week's project will go up on Wednesday as normal. That's been up there for the last couple of weeks now, ready to go up. And I'm hoping you'll really like this one. This particular project's been a little while waiting to get onto YouTube really. So I finally got the order through for the ring mandrels. This week I ordered them from adaire wood supplies. I'll put the link below, and I'm really delighted with these. These will go onto the lathe and it'll be so much more accurate for shaping the rings. I've actually been waiting to buy and get these because they were pre-ordered, so I had to wait for a little while in order to get them ready for using for the ring bands, just because it holds the rings so much better for the finishing. So I'm actually hoping over the next couple of weeks to start getting some ring bands done, because it's been something that I haven't really been doing too much of, and it's all purely because I had nothing really to hold them on for shaping. So they finally came, and they had a little sticker in the pack, so I put that up because as I've said to you before, I love adaire Designs, the YouTube channel. So they came, the quality's really nice for them, but they were pretty expensive. But sometimes you just have to pay out a little bit for these things. So what have I got for you this week? It's not going to be a massive update this week, and I could have actually done this one live tomorrow, but I need to go into town and I've got bits and pieces to do, so I didn't know if I would actually get much time to do the update tomorrow night, so pre-recorded. But the following week I'm not sure I'll be back in time, so I'm going to have to pre-record that one. The week after I shall definitely be doing live, and you will see me live over next weekend as well, which I probably should say now because you'll not get the update until after I've been. But you'll probably find that I come in and out of maybe doing some live stuff over the weekend. I'm also going to be filming, because I'll do the live stuff on my phone, so the sound quality will not be brilliant. I'm also taking the GoPro with me, but I've been having terrible problems with the mic on this. If it slightly moves out, the sound is horrendous. It's been a problem I've had since I first had the GoPro, and it's the worst thing with the GoPro is the whole mic thing. But so I might actually film but without the mic, but we shall see. If I don't have particular problems with the mic will be there. So I'm going to be doing some footage on that, and that'll be rounded up, and when I come back I'll edit that and get it up, and it'll be a roundup of what's going on, but and just our trip away and what I see and stuff like that. So that will definitely be coming up the week I come back, but I will be doing some live stuff as well. This week three big channels had three of the most amazing videos out this week, just so inspiring. First one was Nick. He did, I think it's a Showman Phil one. I'm going to link it down below. It was just brilliant. He's so good. Honestly, it actually brought a tear to my eye. It was that good. And I actually want to see the film now, and I'd never have watched it before. So well done, Nick, because that was just tremendous. Not that Nick watches. The next one was Heath Nicole's. Heath's stuff is just so beautiful anyway, and he's just a joy to watch always. He had an amazing giant orb which he turned this week. and I'm going to link that in below because it was just brilliant. They all came out on the same day and it was just such a joyous day for YouTube. It was brilliant. And the other one, Bobby Duke, he carved resin. Now, you wouldn't really think you could carve resin, but he carved resin and the result is pretty amazing. He is incredibly talented. He does a hand, just 2 carvings in it. I'm not going to tell you any more for it because if you haven't already seen it, go and watch it because it's just, honestly, he makes me sit in awe. I mean, he does all this foolery stuff on his videos, which is partly why I watch him, because he is very funny. But he is just such an artist with it. So that's the 3. They are all big ones and they don't need shout outs, these people. But it was more so that the videos were just so brilliant this week that they just couldn't be ignored. So I shall link them below. The other thing is you're going to find that there's going to be some short videos going up, just going to be random days. I've got quite a few sitting in the background at the minute. I'm not sure whether to put them in on a Saturday or not. Like I say, I've had some problems with my mic, so I had to remove all the sound from some of these videos, so you'll know which ones they are. They won't go up on project days because of that. So, I mean, I've done a couple of really good videos, but had such issues with them. So you'll find there's a few coming out on Saturdays anyway. And also, if you are going to make a central, I will be on the metal clays stand 1 to 2 p.m. both days, just doing an hour each day on them. It's quite enough to be stood and left my dad behind. So I should be doing an hour each day from 1 to 2 o'clock. So if you're wanting to see some of the stuff, or you're wanting to ask any questions or to talk, please do head over. The whole idea of me being there is just if people want to meet up, and it's somewhere that I'm going to be guaranteed to be for that hour. So yeah, so the metal clay stand from 1 to 2 p.m. both days, and really hope to see some of you there. And I'm going to apologise before, because you know who I am, but I know you by your name if you write in the comments, but otherwise I don't really know you. So so just excuse it when you come up to me, because I might look a bit baffled for a second, and it's not being rude at all. It's just trying to get to grips with making sure that I remember all the right people and making sure I've got everybody's names connected to the right person. So so yeah, but do come up, say hello. I really hope that I can meet some of you there this weekend. Don't get much chance to sort of speak to people other than through me speaking at you. It'd be nice to hear some of your voices. So that's it. I'm not going to waffle on too much more. You're going to see a lot of videos coming out over the next 2 weeks, basically, of me, between live streaming, extra ones going out about the show, and all these extra videos that I had all the problems with the sound with. I'm still going to put them up because they're good videos, but they're just, well, I think they're good videos, might be rubbish, but I'm just going to put them up anyway, and bits that I need to show you and stuff like that will just have music over. So that's nothing really. It saves me chatting at you. So anyway, hope you all have a great week. Hope to see you all there next weekend. Those that can't, I should try and get some live footage up for you. And stay safe, and thanks very much for watching.